car thief returns to airport after stealing rental car ends badly.
Airport officers were dispatched to the rental car center in response to a man attempting to steal a rental vehicle. The suspect had successfully stolen a rental car approximately 2 years prior, and Hertz employees recognized him from that prior incident. During this attempt, the suspect targeted a 2023 Dodge Durango and was observed placing his bags into the trunk, running to the drive
Part of that. I don't even get that.
and starting the vehicle. He was stopped by Hertz employees before fleeing the area.
I know him long time, the guy. He stole a car from me downstairs before. I got a picture for him.
You must take him to like a chop shop or something. I don't know how else he gets.
He want to take the car.
Really?
And then when I told him, I called the police. He keep quiet. He don't say nothing. Goes straight to the bus, Terminal C. He got to Terminal C.
What was he wearing?
He got a look like this color shirt, jeans. He got a backpack, silver, and case suit.
Surfer?
Looks like a surfer?
Silver.
Oh, a server.
Yes.
Okay. Interesting.
Backpack. And he got a luggage bag, black.
A luggage bag, black. And so does he just wander up here?
The guy, they cleaned the car. He said, they called me. He said, what happened? The guy just jumped in the car and go. I go. I told you, I know him. He stole a car from me, 100%. This guy. That's same clothes he was.
This is the same clothes he was wearing?
Just to take a picture.
Just now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. 708, and I'm out with the RP. You're looking for an Indian male.
Oh, that is not at all what he described. He said the same color shirt like this. And his own shirt is not that color. What is he talking about?
Light build with a blue collared shirt. The RP's telling me he got on a bus that goes to Terminal C. How long ago was that? Like just now?
Look like less than 10 minutes.
Okay. So does he just gets quiet and says nothing?
Quiet.
And this is the picture you took today at 151.
I got two pictures.
Two pictures, and this is the other one?
Yeah.
And he tried to take a...
Okay, I feel like they're talking too much. I'm getting bored. Let's move on.
Gotcha. And then he left. He just got his things, and then he
opened the...
He opened them.
And then he goes straight.
He grabbed his things, and he went straight back. Did he?
Yeah, I follow him. And then make sure what terminal he go. He tried Terminal E. He changed his
Where even is this? Where are we at?
mind. He goes C.
Shortly thereafter, additional officers observed the man inside the airport.
Hey, what's up? Hey, pull over right here. What's up? Well, you just out at the rental rent one. That's you right there. That's you, right?
How do you even do that though? I mean, they have to give you the keys somehow. I mean, if the key's just in the car, that's on the company, right?
What's the problem? Okay, I'm telling you what the problem is. The problem is you got in a vehicle that you didn't rent, so we want to know why were you in that vehicle, huh?
Because I was checking it out to see if maybe I wanted to rent it before I rent it.
Well, you need to go and talk to him before you check it out. Are you traveling today? Or what are you doing? You got somebody?
I'm going back home, dude. Okay. I need to leave.
You got somebody?
Go back home.
I'm just asking you a question. Why was you in the car if you hadn't rented? You talking about you checking it out?
Dude, why would you even do that if you're on your...
But you can't just go get in the car and don't let nobody know. So you still, that's what you were saying? That,
But before you rent, what do you mean? I can't
you gotta talk to them.
I mean, this might actually be a good way to get out of it if he really plays dumb the whole time.
You can't just go into the rental car facility and go get in the car and decide if you want it or not. That ain't the way it works. And I'm pretty sure you already know that. Did you take off in the car? Did you
Absolutely
drive the car?
not. No.
Okay, I'm just saying.
I've already had that issue with y'all once before. I would never do that again. Never.
Where are you supposed to be traveling to right now? Where you supposed to
He's had this problem before. I would never do that again. I mean, this is a good way for him to get out. I think he's thought it through, and he's got the cheat codes now. He's run this game before.
be traveling?
Is there any way we can all talk somewhere privately? All of us?
Nobody know
pretty
what we're talking
private.
about?
Okay. Well,
Don't nobody know you right here?
generally,
I'm asking you a question.
generally speaking,
trying to get you on your
people
way.
would say it's not the best thing to run your mouth to cops.
Okay, well, come on, let's
I'm-
go over here and talk. Step out here.
So I guess just because of what happened over here, we're trying to look and see if we're gonna press charges against what he did, because we're trying to establish, because he did turn the vehicle on. Of course, from what I understand, the car didn't move. But he did turn the car on. He did put his things in the back, which would lead a reasonable person to believe that he was going to leave with the vehicle. So
they're like astounded right now that he's going to tell them we're not sure yet. We don't think he was actually trying to steal it.
seeing if we're going to go with UUMV, which is unauthorized use of motor vehicle, and if you all are going to prosecute for that based on what he said. So I just want to talk to you to see what that looks like for you.
Gotcha. Okay. So
I assume that's a much lesser charge, but at least they get him on something at this point.
travel back and forth from left field to this airport fairly often.
All right.
And I'm trying to work on some things in regard to gas speculation, being around people who use gas, to pump gas. They know the meaning of getting gas from Saudi Arabia, different places.
He's just rambling. I'm going to skip forward, but I'm just waiting for the ends badly part. Like, what? This is, you know, how does this get worse?
Okay. And in doing that, part of that requires me to just check it out. And I'm not doing anything illegal while I'm here. So how may I actually I can tell my father or a friend of mine?
Oh my god, he just rambles for a straight 2 minutes, 4 minutes.
To get back on the train, go back home.
So you wasn't coming out of the travel? You got a suitcase, backpack?
I was thinking about maybe getting a car.
Bro, that's the main reason I wouldn't want to be a cop. You have to waste so much time talking to losers like this. Like, this is like 10 minutes of just talking to him, listening to his garbage.
Show some of time. But I mean, definitely I'm sitting in the car. Yeah.
Okay, you weren't even there. You was at the point where they returned.
On the second floor, correct.
All right. So what I need you to do, go ahead and put your phone down and your backpack. And turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Really? You being arrested? For
Yeah,
what?
you're going to be arrested.
Put yourself down.
Burglary of motor vehicle, criminal intent.
Take your bag off.
Burglary of motor vehicle? Really?
Take your bag off.
Wow.
Turn around and face this way. Take your bag all the way off. Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
I'm gonna go up to the
This
front of this
doesn't
car
end
right
that
here.
badly.
Can we just go back there and view the footage together? Do my stuff back?
Yeah, your stuff will go with you.
I mean, you're damaging my phone. I put it under.
Your stuff will go with you. Let me get you back in the back of the vehicle, and your stuff will go with you.
That's fine. Please get my phone off the hot ass.
Your stuff will go with you. The longer you sit here and you argue with me about getting in the back of my vehicle, the more your stuff sits there.
I'm not arguing.
Then let's go. Put your left foot up there. Put your left butt cheek up. And slide on in.
They say he got had 8 charges. UMV.
Well, because we have keys right here that says, you know, it's a prevent theft, remove valuables from rental car and locked doors. It's a 2023 Dodge Charger. And just
Oh, he has the key on him? Oh, yeah. I mean, that's...
Texas. There's a QR code. I'm going to try to scan that and see what that comes back up.
I mean, why would you not get rid of that? That would be like #1 thing to do. That's like the evidence that would tie you to it. You having that same key. And then he's just going to give, but police release does not use there's just unauthorized use of a vehicle. And he doesn't put charges in it. So I don't really like his videos all that much. This is like a warm up video more than anything.